This is the Fluidmaster 641 universal trip lever. Now this trip lever can fit just about any standard flush toilets. Taking a closer look at it, now this is, like I said, fully adjustable. So the first adjustment you'll see is right here, this little circular portion right here behind the handle. Now what that is adjusting the angle of this arm. You want to make sure that the end of that arm is lined up as close as you can, as directly above that flapper in the tank. And then to do that, you just simply grab this and then either turn it to the left or right, and that'll adjust the angle. Now you can also adjust the length. Now how you do that is look at the top of the arm here. You'll see this blue little tab protruding from the top of the black plastic. You just press that down with your thumb, and then you can push that arm in with your other hand. You can either shorten it or make it longer. Now the 641 does come in the chrome finish, and it does also come with the nut to secure it to the tank. Now one thing I do want to mention on this is there is an arrow here. Now that arrow is pointing in the direction of tightening it. So to loosen it, you want to go opposite direction of the arrow, and then with the arrow to tighten. And once again, this is the Fluidmaster 641 universal trip lever.